Hello and welcome to my channel. Today finally we are going to try a lot of MAC holiday collection and I will be doing a makeup look using almost only MAC products, and I'm saying almost because I don't have powder or bronzer, so that will be two products that I will use from other brands. In rest I will be using only the MAC product. And for the eyeshadow, I will be using this one just because, yeah, it has that blue that I really want to try, and also because here it's very cold, and actually it is the first snow of Sweden. It's not very abundant, but yeah, it is the first snow, so I think this will actually be kind of an inspo for the makeup look. And actually I will take that red shade from here, the burgundy one, and I think I'm going to apply like all over the lid, blend it really well. Next I'm taking a flat brush. This is Refire number 2, and I'm going to wet with MAC Prep and Prime, just for, like, yeah, the intensity to be more. And I will be taking directly this bluish turquoise shade, I don't know how to call it, and yeah, I will be applying all over the lid. It does look like an icy blue, and I still have fallout with this one, so let's see if I'm using my finger. Yeah, I think it looks a little bit better with my finger. I do need to work a little bit more with that shade. I will flip the same brush, same process, wetting this, because I want to take this shade from here to the eyes. I'm just going to apply it here. Okay, so actually I was expecting something different from this shade. It does feel like, you see, when you turn the head, it's like a duochrome reflecting purpley, and because of that bluish shade I think it does change a little bit, but it looks, I don't know, it looks really good. Now I will take a detail brush. This is Refire number 3, and I'll take this brown from here on the tip of the brush, and I'm just going to apply that very close to the, it's like an eyeliner, let's say, but not really. It's just very close, and it does apply really well. And also under the eye I'll be taking again this shade from here with another brush, and I'll just take with the tip of the brush, and I will smudge this under eye area, let's say, and closing my eyes I'm just crossing, like I'm smudging both of up and down also. And for the inner corner I take this whitish shade, and yes, it is a pretty shade for highlighter, let's say. This is how the makeup look. I did apply more with my finger. I still, for me, is the best technique. No matter how many brushes I keep buying them. Next product, it's also from the holiday, and this is a primer, and I never use a primer, and I saw someone on TikTok actually, and I really wanted just to try it. So I will take just as much as in here, and I will just apply it in the areas where I usually tend to get oily. And this feels watery, immediately enters to my skin. I think it's really nice. I don't feel any kind of cooling effect to say. But yeah, I don't know if you are supposed to keep it in the fridge or anything else. But it feels watery. Once applied, it becomes very like matte feeling. And yeah, I will leave it to sit for a while. For foundation, I'll be using this. It's their new foundation, MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. I have shade NC15, and this is very cute actually. It is like very travel friendly, I don't know. And I will just apply it with my finger first, and then I will distribute it with my brush, foundation brush. This is actually a very beautiful foundation. If you never try it, it's actually really nice. I do enjoy this. I will be using actually their concealer. This I received as a gift with purchase. So this is the Studio Finish Concealer in shade NC10. I actually never used this concealer before, so we'll see how this looks. And I think the shade, it is okay in a way, and I don't know, this is one of their best concealer, let's say. And because I don't have any powder from them, I will set the under eye area with this from Pat McGrath. Yeah, for setting my face, I will be using this blush from MAC. This is one of my favorite formula, and I think I have almost all of them. If you want to see swatches of them or anything, please tell me. This is a very bright orangey shade, and actually I will be taking that with the same brush that I use for foundation. And this is one of my favorite cream formula from, I don't know, from any brands. It is perfection. It does sink into the skin. It blends beautifully. It looks naturally. I don't know why this is not as like popular or viral, but this is one of the best formula for like cream blushes, and I do prefer this instead of a liquid blush, for me at least. And you can just build up how much you want with this kind of blush, but really pretty. At the end of the video, I'll go out just for you to see how this makeup looks, because it's getting to be very beautiful. I do like it. On top of that blush, I will use also from MAC. This is the Extra Dimension blush in just a pinch. Again, a beautiful product. I don't know why people don't talk more about this one. Really pretty. This will give you like a beautiful shine on the face, but not too much, just exactly how much you want. You can use it as a blush topper. I got also crazy about these ones, and I think I almost got all the shades. And this video, it's not sponsored. For lashes I will use their MAC Stack mascara. So this is not sponsored, but here, as I mentioned a lot of times, when you order directly from MAC Cosmetics Nordics, usually get a lot of gifts with purchase. So I did gather a lot of products from them that I actually didn't pay. It was just gifts with purchase. So I do have enough now for like a full video, and they always have like very nice offer. So yeah, every time they have something that it's interesting for me, I will place an order directly from their website. And also this mascara, it is one of my favorite, I think by now. And this is how this mascara did for my eye. I think it is a pretty visible yeah, look. These are done. So for the lips, actually we are going to use this lip kit. I did make swatches for this palette and this lip kit in like a video with all holiday MAC collection. This is a pouch, really pretty. I do enjoy it very much, this one. And it's actually something that I will wear, not only keep it somewhere. Yeah. Lip liner, this is in shade Mahogany. Then we have a Powder Kiss lipstick and Twisted Taupe. I think here now I have a little bit of sun. So this is really pretty. And also this is like Powder Kiss liquid lip color. And I think this will look great on, I don't know, every skin tone, I believe. Let's apply first the pencil, lip pencil. And this is how Mahogany looks on me. You cannot fail with this color. It is pretty and it's really nice for this season now. And I will use first this lipstick, Powder Kiss. This is a very nice formula. This is the lip combo, the lip liner with this lipstick. And I can actually add a little bit on top this one. And I can swatch it here. I think now with sun, I think you have a better view how this looks. So it's like a brownish red color, like pretty similar with what I already have on my lips. And actually it is a little bit darkened. And I swatch all of this on my hands. So you have the lip liner Mahogany, then the Powder Kiss lipstick and the liquid lipstick. And I think this lipstick and this liquid lipstick is actually like dedicated shades for this holiday set. So the lipstick, it is called Twisted Taupe, and the liquid lipstick, it is Blurred Kiss. Here a little bit of sun. This is how the makeup looks in direct sun. Let's say it's more like sunset now. This is how the face looks, the lipstick, everything. I think it looks gorgeous combined together. And next I will be trying this. I did try them on shorts, but I did not try it on like a full long video. These are gorgeous. Actually, I will apply this and then I'll go out. Still I have sun, because you need to see how this looks. Now these are sold out, at least online. I don't know if in stores you can find this. This was the shade that got viral last year, and I did not bought it last year. It is called Taste for Bubbles. I really wanted this one because yeah, it was viral and it looks beautiful. It looks more beautiful here than on the lips. It is very sheer with a little bit of sparkles, let's say, on the lips. Actually, I do have sun directly when I apply it, so you can see. Sorry for the mess on the table. Yeah, but let's apply this. So you can see it's very sheer, beautiful shine with just a little bit of glitter, let's say. And this, I think it will go well with any kind of lip liner. And I don't know, lipstick under, it is very wearable, nothing to I don't know, in your eyes or anything. It is very, very pretty. So this is how Taste for Bubble look. It is gorgeous, I think. And let's try the other one. This also, it is wearable. It's not as intense as you can see it here. It does have like a purplish shine, and I think, yeah, you can see how this look. I think it is wearable, at least for me. And you can see actually the difference between the lips now, how this look and this without the product. I think it's pretty now that I actually have sun for you to see how this looks. Both of this shade really pretty. This is like a purplish shade that has glitter, silver, blues. Really, really pretty, very pretty, both of these. And very sheer, wearable in a way. I mean, I will actually wear this with no problem. Next, we are going to try this. I have two sets of this, but this is the first one. This is the pink one. First shade from the pink set, I mean the first that I picked up, it is called Everything's Alright. And this is how this formula looks, very comfortable on the lips. This is like, you can see it in direct sun, and here it's like in the shadow, let's say, but it is beautiful, very pretty, I think. Next shade, it is called Cherry and Bright. Is how it looks. These are lustre glass formula, very comfortable on the lips. They will not last as like a matte lipstick, but I do like very much this formula, and the shades are actually really pretty. So here it's like in the shadow, let's say, and here it's in full sun. The last shade from the pink set, it is called Bizarre Bloom, and it is, I think, the darkest of all of this. And this is how it looks. It's more like a plummy shade, really pretty. This is how it will look in like a shadow, let's say, because sometimes in sun you cannot see it properly. But it is a pretty wintry autumn time, really pretty. Next, I'm going to try the other lip set. This is called Neutral, and also I think has 3 shades special for this holiday, let's say. So this is Joy to the World, and these are my like more nudes color, My Lips But Better. Pretty My Lips But Better. It does look sheer on the sun, but you can see it here that it is a little bit darkened when I go to the shadow. So this is Joy to the World. Next shade, it is called Getting Warmer, and it looks like a caramel shade. Let's swatch it. And actually it's more like a peachy color. This is how it looks in the shadow. It is My Lips But Better with a peachy touch. This is how it looks in direct sun, really beautiful. And now I'm seeing my face like in the sun, and I'm looking where I did apply the primer, and it looks so like matte and like my pores are like gone. Really interesting, that one. And the last shade, it is like the darkest one, Stay Warm. And let's see how this will look. It's more like a chocolate vibe. You can darken this, but it looks beautiful. So this is the last shade. It is a dark chocolate shade, really pretty. I did apply 2 times this, so this is Stay Warm, but I do really much like this shade. It is beautiful. And that was the ending of my video. I do have the other eyeshadow palette that I will be filming in another video, I think. I love this makeup look so much. It is kind of the winter vibes that I wanted. It looks beautifully. You do need to work a little bit more with these eyeshadows, especially with this one. I did like really press in here with the finger, and then I applied all to the eyes to get this color payoff. This also, it is like a beautiful shade. Now that I have sun, you can actually see how this looks in direct sun. And these are the swatches for the palette. I made them. You can see actually here how this looks. I think the colors, yeah, they are really different than on the previous video, but beautiful palette. And this is how this palette looks. It is gorgeous. So overall, I do like this palette. I like the design of it very much. I like the colors in here. Here are the swatches. I will also film it with the back camera. You do need to work a little bit more, especially with the blue ones. The others, I didn't feel that I need to work as much. This I have not used it, but the others, yes. And I think the combo looks beautifully, at least for me. Everything that I tried today, I will list it down below. The holiday kits, if you can still find them, if you like anything that I show you here, I think especially the mini lip sets, I think they are worth the value. I do like very much mini lipsticks. I do have many of them, so every time I can buy mini, it's a plus for me, just because I get to try a lot of shades. And yeah, if they will go bad, at least it is a mini version. Then their mascara, I do love it. The concealer, it's actually, I don't know why people don't talk about this one. First time I use it, it has also SPF, so really nice formula. It looks like skin in combination with this foundation. Really pretty. I am just feeling bad that I don't have any powder from them to see how this face will set. And also the blurring primer. This blurring primer, it's actually really nice. When I saw it online, I did thought that it's going to be like a silicone based. It's actually more like a watery. For me, the silicone, anything that has silicone, it's actually going to peel no matter how much I will use it, so I don't use this kind of products. But this one, it's really nice. I did not feel anyway that this will give me like a cooling effect or anything. It was I don't know if you have to keep it like in the fridge and then use it, but as it is, and it is like cold, I keep all my makeup in like a cold area. But really interesting formula, and I do feel that especially here something it is changed. I don't know what, but yeah. And of course the viral lip balms. Now I don't know if you actually can find this anywhere, but these are pretty. I will not say anything. They are pretty. I am just a fool when it comes to this kind of lipstick lip balms, just because I will buy it. I have a bunch of them in my collection. Will I use it more than what I'm showing you? No. I will keep it like this probably for other videos, but in real life I don't tend to use these ones. Yeah, but as like collector makeup or anything, these are actually pretty. And I do love more this, I don't know, the packaging this year from MAC holiday collection. I love it. I just love it because I think it's more because I love silver so much. And this actually, this palette actually, it is called Sparkle Storm. I think I did not mention, but yeah, I will link everything down below. Thank you for being here if you stayed in the end. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye bye.